everyone, it's Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share a project I created a couple of cards, but I used this kit that I recently picked up from Home Shopping Network during one of their craft days called Tails and Tweets card kit, and it's made by Stamped by Me. So this is the contents of the kit. You get a topper pack, a mount pack, pre-cut sentiment set, white envelopes, card blanks, and foam pads. So this is some of the things that was in the kit. So here's the die. These are the little mount pads, and they got like little different critters as well as Christmas themes on them. I mean, it makes it so easy to create a card. You just have to use your imagination and use the things that are in the kit. So those are the mount pads. These are the toppers, and the toppers, it makes like a 5x7 card, but you can cut them down to, whatever size you want. So these are the different designs. I think it's really pretty because you don't even have to use the toppers that came in this kit. You could take, not the toppers, the mount pads. You could take these toppers and put on any of your card bases and create a beautiful card. I also use this Holly Flourish Spellbinders embossing folder. And I am so happy I picked up this Anna Griffin Christmas Greetings Rub-On Transfers, because it is coming in handy to put greetings on the inside of my cards. And this is what it looks like. And this isn't the first time you guys seen this. Oh, tape on there. This isn't the first time you guys seen it. I've used it before since I picked it up. And here from the Stamps by Me are the little sentiments. And all you do is take this die and cut them out. And they're the same. Peace on earth, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Joy to the World in red. And then they have a love and laughter and some in gold. And you get 2 sheets of that. So let me share with you the 2 cards that I created. I think they came out beautifully. So let me give you a closer look at the first card. This is where I used the Spellbinders embossing folder. I took the topper and rounded it with my corner rounder from We Are Memory Keepers, We Are Makers. This is the mount. And I just put some green foil behind it because I use green foil here that I embossed. And on the inside, this is what I did. And that's the rub-on from Anna Griffin. And this base did come out of the card kit. I did use that. And the Peace on Earth, I did mount it up with the foam dimensional tabs that came in the kit. And here is where I just had some gems in my stash and used those to just, give it a little different look. So the next one I created is this one. And what I did with this one is I rounded just the corners on the end. Here is where I used the red foil. And this foil came out of my cardstock. Not of my cardstock, out of my stash. It's just recollections. And I took the little mouse, put some foil behind him, some red and clear jimmies out of my stash. You open it, and that's what it looks like. So I think I love a card kit because it makes it easy and simple to create a quick and beautiful card. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.